It is impossible to anticipate where the two monsters which suddenly appeared in the Atami area will attack next.
I gave my hand for you to hold. I gave my love that you went and sold. Exchanged our song for another. Can't blame this dead flame that once glowed like no other. How do you soften the thought of carrying coffins? We were so alive, only to see us wither and die. Swear and dry. The thought of carrying coffins.